Welcome back to Next Wave News, where we shine a light on the hidden workings of our world. Today we're untangling the mysteries behind blackouts, those sudden power failures that plunge us into darkness and disrupt our lives. At its core, the power grid is a perfectly choreographed dance. Power plants generate electricity on demand, and that electricity is instantly distributed through lines to homes and businesses. But here's the catch: it doesn't hold extra reserve. Supply must match demand every split second or it risks collapse. That's why, when a single power plant, high-voltage line or substation suddenly fails, whether due to extreme weather, a tree strike, or technical malfunction, it can trigger a domino effect. Nearby components get overloaded, fail too, and before long, the lights go out across entire regions. We've seen this on a massive scale. In one historic case, a simple hidden fault led to cascading failure, trimming power to tens of millions. In another instance, software glitches and miscommunications triggered a chain collapse that left millions in the dark. For countries where power is less stable, blackouts may happen frequently, sometimes even planned in rotation. In more robust systems, rolling blackouts can be used as temporary safety valves to prevent a total collapse when demand outpaces supply. So what can stop this cycle? One powerful solution is energy storage. Think of it as a battery bank for cities. During times of low demand, surplus electricity can be stored, then tapped back in during high demand or emergencies. Technologies like pumped hydroelectric reservoirs, huge batteries, compressed air caverns, and even spinning flywheels can supply that backup power. Some regions now buffer their grids with these systems, reducing reliance on polluting peaker plants. Another strategy is diversifying energy sources and using smarter infrastructure. If a wind farm dips output when the air stills, another station elsewhere might pick up the demand. And with smart grids and real-time pricing, systems can adjust load demand more intelligently, easing strain during extreme conditions. On the individual level, preparation matters too. Having a backup light, extra water, perhaps a generator in critical situations, or even basic emergency kits can make all the difference when the lights go out unexpectedly. At its core, a blackout isn't just a lost connection, it's a test of infrastructure, planning, and resilience. As climate change fuels extreme weather, and energy demand keeps rising, understanding how blackouts happen, and how to prevent them, becomes more critical than ever. If this revealed the hidden forces powering our daily lives, and what can bring them to a halt, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Next Wave News, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next wave of deep dives into systems that shape our world. Thanks for watching, and let's keep the lights of knowledge on.